What's up, guys? Welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video I will be showing you guys how I go from this loose wave curl pattern to this straight bomb custom made wig. Okay, let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty with Ty. So today's video is going to be pretty simple. I will be showing you guys how I go from this here to this here. Slay, honey, slay. This hair is so soft, so natural, and the fact that it's loose wave and I straightened it, it is so thick, super thick, like some really nice yucky hair. And I did bleach my knots and pluck my frontal a little bit more. So just keep on watching. But before you do, please thumbs up this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. Bye. Okay, so this is how the hair came packaged. It came in this bag and then it's a really nice box. It also comes with a cap as well as the brochure showing you how to take care of the hair. This is how the wig looks. Excuse me, I am trying to get over a cold and trying to sound sick. It's really not working, but okay. This is how the curl patterns look. This is the natural wave of the hair. This is a 360 wig and the wefts are in there looking really nice. As you can see, this is how it looks before I customized the wig. I did pluck the frontal as well as bleach the knot, so you will have to do that before you get the wig started. But let's look at these curl pattern. It looks so good. This is their loose wave, so I'm going to go ahead and start off with 91% alcohol, putting that on my hairline, and then I will go ahead and put the wig on. As you can see, I pushed all of the hair back with some clips so I can go ahead and apply the wig. I am using some Ghost Bond glue along with some popsicle sticks, so I did like 2 layers, letting them dry completely in between, and then I'll go ahead and apply my wig. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and pull my wig down so that I can lay them right there with the Ghost Bond glue. So that's all you have to do. I got my glue from Amazon. It was about $19, but I have been seeing them been sold at a hair store, so your local beauty supply store might sell them. And here again, I'm showing you guys how the hair looks once I have washed and conditioned the hair. And here I'm just pressing it down to make sure that my frontal is in nice and neat. And I'm showing you guys here, you can part the hair anywhere. I was trying to do like a nice little side part, so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm trying to create some baby hairs because y'all know I like baby hair. If you don't want baby hair, you don't have to do baby hair. And then I'm taking some Pump It Up. Well, that's not Pump It Up. That is Got To Be Glue spray and putting it on my hairline so that I can have a nice and sleek just like this. Because I like that sleek, pull back, effortless look. So that's the look that I was going for. And then I'll go ahead and pull it up to the front so I can show you guys how it look with the natural state of this hair. If you don't do anything to this hair, this is how it's going to look. It has a really nice natural state. This is again their loose wave hair, and I did wash and condition it and let it air dry, and this is how it looks. So you can wear it like this, or you can curl it, or you can go ahead and straighten it, which that's what I'm going to do. But I want to show you guys how thick and full and soft and fluffy this hair is, so that you know before I go ahead and straighten the hair. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and take a piece to section off the hair so that I can straighten it. Here I will be using my straightening iron from Olaxer. This is an Amazon-based company, and they sent me these flat irons. I'll leave that link down below. So here I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the hair, and as you can see, with just one swipe, the hair is like bone straight. So what I do is go across it one more time to make sure I get it nice and straight, and you know, just try to tame the curls and thin it out. So that's all I'm doing here, is just going through to make sure I get the hair really nice and straight and bone straight, because that is key. So just taking it and running through the hair. As you can see, it doesn't need much. And I apologize about my lighting. It was in and out. I'm working with some new lighting. I haven't received my lighting from Amazon yet, so I went to Best Buy and bought some lighting, which was horrible. So it keeps going in and out. But for the most part, this is how it looks. I went ahead and finished straightening my hair, and it looks so good. As you can see, I did customize the frontal. I plucked it as well as bleached the knot, and it is gorgeous. You can pull it back into a low ponytail. You can pull it up into a high pony. You can wear it straight. You can wear it curly. The options are endless. So you guys, make sure you go and click the link down below so that you can purchase this hair, as well as leave me a comment down below so you can let me know what you think about this hair and if you like it or not. And if you do like it, please go ahead and thumbs up this video. And of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, because guess what? It's free. Yes, it's free if you go ahead and subscribe. But look at this hair. Beautiful. It's so nice, straightened, and it looks beautiful curly. So go and click the link down below so you can purchase this hair. Look how good it look. Beautiful, huh? I know. All right, guys. So until next time, I love you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye. Mwah.